this whole concept came about for me to get involved with Baby-Oye was not as a businesswoman. I think it was more as a mother, and I wanted to connect with the other mothers out there in India and introduce them to this wonderful concept and this convenience. I mean, at a click of their fingers, they can shop anything for their child and not be in a hurry. And I think with the traffic situation and some others are working, they have other issues or problems, they can just do it sitting at home in the luxury of sitting at home. And it's a one-shop stop. You can get anything and everything possible, 15,000 products and brands that you don't even get in stores. Well, I think it's of utmost importance. And I think what Baby-Oye actually offers is it's just not only that you just come there and shop. You can go online, you can learn about pregnancy, about nutrition, there's specialists on board. There's so much there for you to learn and to discover. A healthy mom is a happy baby. I think I took a lot of tips from my own mom to other young mothers, to specialists, to my pediatrician. And I did take utmost care to see that everything is very clean. I think cleanliness plays a very big role in a child's nutrition, and feeding them correctly. I think all this gives your child the best start in life. If you can and you have the capacity to do it, please do it as long as possible, because it helps your child's immunity, and it's the truth, it really does. And if you can and have the patience to go through that, I think if you can do it for a year, it's absolutely awesome. Honestly, my personal experience was that it was very difficult for me. And I had a very different experience because, which I'd like to share with mothers, was that I got a breast abscess during Kian's time, which was excruciatingly painful. And it reoccurred, and unfortunately I had to stop breastfeeding. They had to stop my milk because I was going through so much pain and it was in such a bad situation. So that's been an unfortunate side to my breastfeeding with Kian. But I just want to share this, that if you can, please do it, because it's the ultimate gift you can give your child. Nutrition is very important for your child, and if you rush into working out and all, that's going to take a toll on your body, which will take a toll on your child. So I did it methodically, stepwise. In 6 weeks I didn't do anything, and slowly walks and getting into eating right. And it was a tedious process, but yeah. Keep shopping on babyoye.com, and there's a lot to discover. It's a whole world out there, and it's a great luxury and convenience. And what better thing can Baby-Oye offer you than you being able to spend that extra quality time with your children, which is so precious. And I think that's my message out there, that please shop online. And I just like to say, let's make the world a better place by spending more time with our babies, and shop on Baby-Oye.